Hey there, feeling sluggish? Wondering how to give your liver a natural boost? Today, we're diving into the top 10 superfoods that can help detoxify and rejuvenate your liver. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last one because it's a game changer. Let's get started. First up, coffee lovers rejoice. Did you know that coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up? Research shows it can protect your liver from chronic diseases like cirrhosis. It works by lowering the risk of inflammation and supporting liver enzyme function. And get this, it's not just the caffeine doing the heavy lifting. Compounds like colloidal and castel have antioxidant properties that combat liver damage. So the next time you're sipping your morning brew, think of it as a toast to your liver's health. What's your favorite way to enjoy coffee? Let me know in the comments. Next on the list is oatmeal, a fiber-packed powerhouse that helps reduce liver fat. Why is that important? Because excess fat can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a growing concern worldwide. Fiber from oats improves digestion and keeps your blood sugar levels steady, which indirectly supports your liver. Pro tip: add cinnamon or a handful of fresh berries to your oatmeal for an antioxidant boost. Speaking of breakfast, what's your go-to healthy meal? Share it below! Green tea isn't just soothing, it's a liver's best friend. This humble drink is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant that fights liver fat and reduces oxidative stress. Studies suggest that regular green tea drinkers have healthier liver function. But here's a tip: avoid green tea supplements, as they can sometimes cause harm when taken in excess. Stick to the real deal. Do you prefer it hot or iced? Garlic packs a punch, and I mean that literally. This kitchen staple contains selenium and allicin, compounds that activate liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Here's a fun fact: ancient civilizations used garlic for its medicinal properties long before modern science confirmed its benefits. Add it to your sautéed veggies or soups for both flavor and detox benefits. What's your favorite garlic recipe? Drop it in the comments. Berries are tiny but mighty. Blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries are antioxidant powerhouses that shield your liver from damage and inflammation. Not only do they taste amazing, but they also promote liver regeneration. Here's a quick smoothie idea: blend a cup of mixed berries, a handful of spinach, and some almond milk. Delicious and liver-friendly. Talk about grapefruit, a citrus superstar. It's rich in antioxidants like naringenin and naringin, which protect liver cells and reduce inflammation. Here's a quick tip: grapefruit may interact with certain medications, so check with your doctor if you're on prescription drugs. Otherwise, enjoy it as a refreshing snack or juice. Who else loves a tangy grapefruit? Share your thought. Prickly pear may look exotic, but it's a liver hero. Its compounds protect against liver damage, especially after a night out. Ever wondered why some cultures swear by prickly pear juice for hangovers? Now you know! It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and is a fun way to mix up your fruit intake. Have you ever tried prickly pear? If not, add it to your shopping list. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are detox champs. They boost your liver's ability to eliminate toxins and reduce oxidative stress. Roast them with olive oil and garlic for a delicious, liver-friendly side dish. Did you know that these veggies also contain compounds that may prevent cancer? Food for thought, right? Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It reduces liver fat and improves blood flow, supporting overall liver health. Here's a fun challenge. Try replacing butter with olive oil in your cooking for a week and see how you feel. Who's up for it? Let me know! Last but not least, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These reduce inflammation and prevent fat buildup in the liver. Aim for 2 servings a week to reap the benefits. What's your favorite way to prepare salmon? Grilled, baked, or pan-seared? Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can work wonders for your liver health. Remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Here's to a healthier you.